Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kit Unboxing Day. So here I have the Simon Says Stamp December 2022 card kit. It's called Joy to You and Yours. This kit is packed with some really fun supplies for your Christmas projects, your New Year projects. We have lots and lots of fun products here which are hand selected and will keep you busy throughout this holiday season. Well, let's take a look at the contents of this kit. The first thing I see here is this Distress Ink Cube. It's a mini Distress Ink Cube in the shade Lumberjack Plaid. Well, this is a latest ink collection and I have made a lot of projects using this ink already and I'm loving it. You will see in my next videos where I have used the Lumberjack Plaid ink for stamping, ink blending and even on embossing folders. Well, this is a really beautiful red. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. Well, before that, I must tell you that every kit comes with this inspiration sheet. We have 6 designs by some amazingly talented designers. You have combinations of the materials that are in the kit, and it makes my work a lot more easy when I am out of ideas of how I can use these products. Now, what's Christmas without some candy canes? Now, we have a pack of 3 Tim Holtz Ideology candy cane confections, which are perfect for your cards, scrapbook pages, tags, journals, planners, or even your home decor. Well, I plan on using this with the silver thread. I think it'll add a lot of texture to my cards. Well, this is not as hard as your actual candy canes are, it has a very flexible texture to it. Next, I have a set of deco foils. These are 6 by 6 deco foils. It's the holiday combo foil sheet. I have 4 colors here. I have silver, gold, red, and green, perfect for all your holiday cards. I love using foils on my card, and well, I have used it with the laminator, but I think I do see adhesive transfer sheets here in this kit, and it would go perfectly with my card projects. Take a look at those shiny foils. The colors are gorgeous. I have 2 of each of those colors. So in total, I have 8 sheets of these beautiful foils. Next, we have the Christmas Combo Adhesive Transfers by Simon Says Stamp. Well, I have not used this product yet and I'm really excited to see how this works. Well, you could add a touch of modern metallic shine to your projects when you use them with the deco foils. I also know that these adhesive transfers will work really good with your ultra fine glitter or even mica powder. There are clear instructions behind the packaging on how to use this product. You can apply your deco foils and it transfers easily with or without a laminator. All you need is just your die cutting machine. It's time to take your foiling to a whole new level with these adhesive transfers. Here you'll see I have beautiful Christmas sentiments, I have Christmas tree. I love the font on the Merry Christmas there. I love that beautiful floral arrangement and it would be perfect for my card fronts. I plan on using the gold, red and green deco foil for those images. Next we have 8 double-sided sheets of paper from Prima's Candy Cane collection. Well, I love this Candy Cane Lane paper pack. It has such a sweet vintagey look to it. The weight on this paper is great. It's neither too heavy nor too thin, and I love the matte finish on these. Well, there are these tiny images which you could use as tags or embellish your card fronts. Just cut them out into tiny little squares. I love this reindeer and the polka dot image, and this background would be perfect for your card front. There's such a fun Christmassy themed vintage look to these card papers. I love this red skylight look and take a look at these images. I plan on easily cutting these out using tags or maybe just to embellish your gift cards or your card fronts. I love the light, subtle tones of pink on these paper pads. These would go perfectly with the Lumberjack Plaid Distress ink that we got in the kit. Well, I will be uploading a video very soon where I show you how I created 5 different card designs using these pattern papers. Next, we have the Fir Tree Branches Embossing Folder by Simon System. Simon System does have some really amazing and high quality embossing folders, and I love these. These are really detailed and ultra thick, and well, if you know my design, I like a lot of dimension on my card. And these embossing folders are perfect to create dimensions. You could stamp on them, you could use your ink pads on them, you could blend these designs. There are so many ways you could use your embossing folders to create beautiful card fronts. Next, we have the Santa Claus die by Simon Says Stamp. I love how adorable this die is. It measures roughly around 2 by 3 inches, and it would be perfect to create focal points for your card fronts. I like that this comes in a set of two, one where you have the main frame of the Santa and the other one which will create the tiny bits of the faces of Santa, where you could use reds, whites, skin tones, and lots more. This would match perfectly with the Merry Christmas sentiment on the adhesive transfer sheet. Next, I have a white envelope by Simon System. This is A2 size, perfect for all your A2 size cards. It does come with a sticky self seal that allows you to simply pull the seal and press close. Well, now it's time for the huge 6 by 8 stamp set by Simon System. This is Joy to You and Yours, and it has really adorable, gorgeous sentiments. We have Season's Greeting, Holiday Wishes, Merry and Bright, Joy to You and Yours. These are really adorable designs with beautiful fonts, and take a look at that floral arrangement there. This also comes with coordinating dies, which is not part of the kit but can be bought separately. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Next, we have the latest Snow White Positively Velvet Cardstock by Simon System. This measures 5.5 by 8.5 inches, and well, it's not as it looks on video, but in real life, it's really beautiful, and the texture on this cardstock is amazing. This would be perfect for my Santa's beard. Last but not the least, I have cardstocks. I have a 100-pound Schoolhouse Red Cardstock by Simon Says Stamp and a sheet of 110-pound Neenah Solar White Cardstock. So that was the Simon Says Stamp December 2022 Joy to You and Yours card kit. Well, it's definitely a very fun kit, very cute and fun designs, and has some really amazing pattern paper designs. The stamp set can be used for so many fun Christmas cards. In my next video that I'll be uploading tomorrow, I'll be showing you 5 cards that I created using the pattern papers. Stay tuned for that. All the supplies that I have showed here can be found linked in the description box below. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.